Aimon presents. Place gyoza dumplings in a pan. Add 2 ounce water, no oil needed. Cover with lid and steam for approximately 5 minutes. Please steam well so that all dumplings will be well cooked. And after remove lid, you can garnish with green onion. Or you can also use garlic powder too, if you love garlic. And I also add little sesame oil here for flavor. And you need to wait until bottom will be golden yellow. Please don't bake too much. And flip over and bake a little bit so that all surface will be crispy. And serve with soy sauce and black vinegar. It's done!